salvation so that we can be saved on the last day. Like he always says, today is the big day, the 6th of April. Which the whole world will be following us. What has New Jerusalem has to say? New Jerusalem has said we are the blessed children. When God created Adam, there were 3 of them. Himself, God the Father, Jesus Christ the Son, and the Holy Spirit, the Father of the Most. God created the man. Jesus Christ put in water and blood, and then the Holy Spirit blew the air of breath. When Jesus Christ came to the world didn't know that he was the child of God. Just like when the Holy Spirit came, it was quite difficult for people to know it. The world was looking for the Holy Spirit in the 13th century. They said, you cannot see the Holy Spirit. So when they did see him, they were surprised. In such a small little village of Kamba. It was on the 5th of April at midnight. Jesus Christ came to speak to Baba Simon Kimbangu. The time has come for you to start your mission. There's one ill person, lady, in Gome Kitsuka. You need to go and heal her. Tomorrow morning, you need to go to the village of Gome Kitsuka and see Mama Kantondo. The illness that she had was a headache.
Why did someone say
That she had required for people to put stones on top of her head in order to feel better, or for someone to sit on her head in order to feel better. So when you go over there, you heal her, then you can go and continue your way. When he was speaking to Jesus Christ at midnight, his wife, Mama Mudo, was hearing him talk. Mama Mudo asked him